everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on this product here, which is the Elemis Nourishing Omega Rich Cleansing Oil. So this says it's a skin conditioning cleansing oil. Now this is my first Elemis product that I have ever tried, and I've always been super curious to try something from their range. And yeah, I'm very excited that this was one of the first. So I absolutely love cleansing oils. Cleansing oils are something that I was only introduced to quite recently, but I feel like it's sort of unnecessary to add this step to your skincare routine, but it's kind of like, now I feel like it's necessary. Like, I know it's super contradicting, but I just love the feeling of like the oil on my skin. I always do that first, then a cleanser, then more like moisturizers. But yeah, so big fan of cleansing oils. Now, comparing this to others that I have used, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like they're all pretty similar. Like texture wise, scent wise, of course each brand has their own scent, but still it's pretty close. Do I feel like this is any different to any others I have used? Not really. They're all so subtly similar that, like, if it was in a blind testing, it would be so hard to determine like what's what. But would I recommend this? Yeah, I would. I like this a lot. I'm not saying it's bad. You can probably get like cheaper ones if you're like budget conscious. I'm sure there might be. The only difference is probably the quality of the products inside. But yeah, this one smells great, feels great, and I would recommend. It is on the expensive side. Sorry, I didn't say. So this is $78 and sold at Mecca in Australia. If you've tried this, let me know your thoughts, or let me know your favorite Elemis product in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. I hope you found this helpful. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.